Let us learn the concept of difference between more and less and more. More and less. More balloons, less balloons. More pencils, less pencils. More fruits, less fruits. More fishes, less fishes. More chocolates, less chocolates. More juice, less juice. Less and more. Less flowers, more flowers. Less coins, more coins. Less vegetables, more vegetables. Less toys, more toys. Less crayons, more crayons. Less stars, more stars. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more videos.